Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing small exercise like placing some electrical panels and some cable tray arrangement for these panels. So I'm just placing this one. Like this is the some equipment cubics. So if you are going to the 3D view, so you can see it was fixed like this, right? So these are the bus bar connecting areas. So I'm just trying to connect some cable tray and some cable ladders. So how to do that one? So I just place it this one. So if you want to place more equipment, so you can place it. So I'm just copying one of this one and then I just pick one point and I'm placing that one like this. So this is our panel, for example. Okay, so I need one more row like this. So I can just copy this one, CC for the copy and I just place it there. So if you go to the 3D view, so you can see the placement of the panels. It will become like this. And then we can draw some cable tray and it is coming from some risers over here, riser areas over here. These are the riser. Okay. So from here we need to start the cable trunking or cable trays or like different different level how we can drop the cable tray or ladder like that. So this is a small exercise, and even if you need some BIM modeling help, I will assist you for your company for doing this modelings and other things. Okay, so then we will go for the power or anything like you can make the view like even cable trays, you can make it that one, and then you can start that. So if you want to make a view templates, that's also you can make it. So I some other videos I already given the how to do the view templates creations and views and other things. So right now I just want to uh, draw some cable ladder from this shaft. For example, I just go to the system and then cable tray. So I choosing first the cable ladder and service types. You can just okay leave it that one right now. So then the height I'm just placing 450. I started here from here and I just want to drop that one to this panel. So I'm just running like this and I just want to drop that one to here in this panel. Okay, so I just want to make this one like I just selected this one and I place it in the center of this panel like this. Okay, so then we need to check the 3D view how it's running. So just need to go to our 3D views, which level it is going. So it's going like this level and it was coming to here, right? So there will be some ceilings also. So what we can do, we can just, yeah, that's fine. I think this is okay. I think we cannot run the through the ceilings. So what we can do, we can just move the panel. For example, this will move to the space of over here and these panels we can switch to these areas. Okay, so then we can drop the cable tray or this cable ladder through like this. So if you want to drop that one, so just need to be make like make some sections. Okay, you can just make the sections from here like this and then go to view. Then you can just change here like fine and then scale you can change it also. So then you just need to be drop down this one. So you can see the panel over here. If you want to change this one shaded, so you can do like this. And then you just click over here and you can get the point out from here. Just right click and draw cable tray. So what you can do, you can just drop the cable, draw the cable tray like this, and it will come to your panel. So you can see here, I think this one you can make it over here. Just move it over here. Then go to the 3D views. So you can see the cable ladder perfectly reaches to the. So like that, you can just to make a lot of cable trays, and then if you want some other cable tray through this shaft, so you can just to make the same way. And then I just want to drop the cable tray there also little bit down. From the riser, I just need to be drop it down. So go to the section view, go to view, and then you can see the cable ladder over here. Just right click and just select that one and drop the cable ladder over here. So maybe it is coming from this way, so you can just make it that one. It's going to some other areas. You can make the cable ladder like this. If you go to the 3D views and you can look that one, so it is perfectly going down to other areas. And if you want to look like this, so you can see this one also, you can see it. Okay, so then I need to make another one, a cable ladder over here, like it is reaching to this panel here. So how we can run that one, I will show you. So just to make it up to here. Okay, I will see how it's in the 3D view. Yeah, it is okay. So then I need to run one more ladder or other cable tray to this panel. So how we can run that one, I will show you. So just create similar. Then I need to change that one to 600 or 300 or 600. So I'm just running another cable tray with this from here. So we can give some spacing, right? Right, like we can give some spacing around 100 gap over here. Then you can just make the cable ladder. Okay, so just I just want to make it like this. First, cable ladder. Then I just run this cable ladder over here, and then after that, I just want to drop it this one over here. Maybe it will be clash like this. So there will be a clash maybe. Okay, so how to solve that one, I'll show you. So just reach over here. So then you just need to go to the 3D view. So you can see perfect. This one, it is clashing with this cable tray, right? So each other it is clashing. So we need to make it up this cable tray. So from for that you just need to what you need to do it. So just now go to the modify, and from here you can split with the gap. So you can split that one. And I just want to make it this one it's little up above. So I can just say like the 5800. Okay, so that clashes is from here, right? So you can see it was removed from here. If you want to make it a little bit above also, so you can just make it this one like this. And after that, what you need to do, just need to come to the top view, and then you can stretch up to the this ladder like this. So automatically, what will happen? It will be making a bend of that another level. So you can clearly see it is working like this. Okay, so same thing, you can go to here, and then you can make the cable ladder to below or above wherever you need. Okay, so for example, this is coming from below, then you can just make the ladder like this. Okay, so if you want to make see on this area, so you can make a 3D view of that. So then you can see clearly it was running below the floor, right? So you're going to substations or somewhere where it is connecting, so you can just make it. So perfectly it will be going down and it is going to the above floors like this. So then yeah, it is going like this. Perfectly, it is going like this. So if you want to make some branches, okay, for example, you want to make some branches to for this ladder. So create similar. Then you can just make a branches like this. So simply you can make the branches. Then that you can just drop to the same way you can drop to the parallel, right? So if you go to the 3D view, so you can see here um, the two cable trays are coming like this, and one branch is also developed. So you can see here. Then you need the section you need. So then you can just make the section, just to make the sections and drop into the panel like this. Okay, so I'll show you how to drop that one. So go to view, then you can just draw the cable tray, drop into the panel. This is very simple exercise. Those who are working in Revit for Revit electrical, so they can do this exercise. So just drop down the cable. Same method for the cable. These are some UPS racks. So you can see here some ELV racks over here. So these racks, we can do the same cable trays or baskets, something like that, cable basket or something like that, can make it. Go to here, cable tray, and yes, you can just make some wire mesh cable tray, no need. Okay, channel cable tray. So the height is 600, so it is coming from here, and you can just drop into this panel. So this clearly you can do like this. Okay, then some other cable tray want to reach it over and another another panel, so you can make the other cable trays also like this. If you are looking in the 3D view, perfectly you can see that was running. Uh, I think this is coming below, right? So we have to make it, this one is in the upper level. So just select that one, and then we can just give a 5400 or whatever the height required. So you can run the cable tray like this. Then you can make the this drop downs also. So if you are placed over here, so at least in one section you can do it. So just need to be make it like this. Okay, then go to view, select this one and go to view. Then one branch from here, draw cable tray. Just drop it down to the panel. And here also you can drop down with these risers. You just drop it. If you want to make it up also, then you can do it. Okay, so I'm just giving it down. If you go to the 3D views, so you can see it was one of the cable trays is dropping down to the panel. And even it's there will be a lot of cable trays coming same level, so you can make the offsets and other things. If you want to make a down also, you can just make a offset down. So for example, this cable tray need to be going down. So I just giving like 5100. So then you can just to give go to the top view and select one of the cable tray and do like this. So automatically what will happen? The bend will be generating automatically. And then if you want to move this one to here, then you can just make the sections, go to the view, and then you can just draw cable tray to down to this panel. And the same thing here. Okay, so for example, we will try to go up. Okay, this area. So you can just create similar, and this cable tray is going up means you can make the cable tray up and just drop down. You can make it. Yeah, that is the one exercise. So if you want to give some dimensions, you can go to the annotate and you can take the align dimensions. And from here, you can just give the dimensions for each panels and everything. So you can just give the dimensions. So these are the simple one of the exercise to making cable trays in Revit. So you can see here, you can just if you want to make some branches to this one, so you can just make it that one also. So wherever you need branches, you can make it. Simply, you can make it that way. So for example, if you want to add, for example, if you want to add one branch over here, from here, you can just see the plus mark. Then you can select over here, then draw the cable tray. So where you want to make a this one, so you can make it clearly, like without any. So this is the one of the simple exercise. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. And even the if you need any modeling supports, so we are able to give the supports to the electrical and the MEP side. So thanks for watching. Thank you.